Hey, and welcome to Psychology for Everyday Life. In our daily interactions, certain habits can make a significant impact on how others perceive us. Whether in professional settings, social gatherings, or even online communities, some behaviors can quickly turn people against us. Here are 10 bad habits that can make others dislike you immediately, and how to avoid them. 1. Being overly judgmental. Nobody enjoys being around someone who is constantly judging others. This habit not only makes people feel uncomfortable, but also creates a negative atmosphere. If you find yourself being overly judgmental, try to understand others' perspectives and practice empathy. This can help you build stronger, more positive relationships. 2. Interrupting others. Interrupting someone while they are speaking is a surefire way to make them feel disrespected and undervalued. It signals that you think what you have to say is more important. Practice active listening and wait for your turn to speak. This will show that you value the conversation and respect the other person's thoughts. 3. Being self-centered. People naturally gravitate towards those who show genuine interest in them. If you constantly steer conversations back to yourself, others might see you as self-centered. Instead, show interest in others by asking questions and actively listening to their responses. This not only makes others feel valued, but also strengthens your connections. 4. Neglecting personal hygiene. First impressions matter, and poor personal hygiene can quickly turn people away. It might seem superficial, but maintaining good hygiene is a basic form of respect for yourself and others. Ensure you are clean, well-groomed, and appropriately dressed for various occasions. 5. Being negative or complaining constantly. A negative attitude can be incredibly draining for those around you. Constant complaining or focusing on the negative aspects of situations can make people avoid you. Try to adopt a more positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than problems. This can make you more pleasant to be around and can improve your overall well-being. 6. Gossiping. Gossiping about others can erode trust and create a toxic environment. If you regularly talk behind others' backs, people will assume you do the same about them. To build and maintain trust, avoid engaging in gossip and instead, focus on positive and uplifting conversations. 7. Being flaky or unreliable. Reliability is a key component of trust. If you frequently cancel plans, show up late, or fail to follow through on commitments, people will see you as unreliable. This can damage relationships and make others hesitant to depend on you. Strive to be punctual and keep your promises to build a reputation of reliability. 8. Being arrogant. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is off-putting. When you come across as arrogant, it suggests that you think you are better than others, which can alienate people. Cultivate humility by recognizing and appreciating others' strengths and contributions. This will make you more likable and approachable. 9. Invasiveness of personal space. Respecting personal boundaries is crucial in social interactions. Being too touchy or invading someone's personal space can make them feel uncomfortable and threatened. Always be mindful of personal boundaries and respect people's comfort levels in both physical and emotional spaces. 10. Being distracted or disinterested. In our digital age, it's easy to get distracted by phones and other devices. However, not giving your full attention to those you are with can be seen as rude and dismissive. Show genuine interest by putting away distractions and being fully present in conversations. This demonstrates that you value the other person and the time you are spending together. Recognizing and addressing these bad habits can significantly improve your relationships and how others perceive you. By practicing empathy, active listening, and respect for others, you can create more positive and lasting connections. It's never too late to change, and even small adjustments in your behavior can make a big difference in how you are perceived. So thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more intriguing psychology for everyday life.